Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Loganathan and this video regarding against the job notification from the central government. We'll see how to apply and what is the pay scale and who are eligible for this job. Here, the job vacancy from the Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. They announced the nursing officer vacancy from the official website. You can go through that official website for checking this complete detail. Before that, just I'll tell you how to check this detail. So directly you can go to that official website and you can click the career. After clicking that career, you will see the notification from that recruitment of paramedical and other professions, and you can click the PDF file. They said the announcement on the 3rd December 2021, and the last date for applying for this job is 27/12 and 2021. For applying for this post, directly you can click here, and first before applying for this job, directly go to the PDF file. There are some instructions and eligible criteria you'll see. So this is the So this is the announcement. You can see, and the date of starting and ending date also they given, and this is one of the permanent vacancy from the central government, and that the number of posts for this post, that means the nursing officer and the grade A, totally 5 posts they are calling, and among that total 5 posts, that OBC 1, and under that unreserved 2 members, so totally 3 members for the general, and for that BWBD totally 2 seats they given, so totally 5 members they wanted for the nurse A grade A job. And that eligibility criteria also you can check it down. The eligibility criteria and the pay scale is according to the central government, the 7th pay scale they'll be paying for this job. The eligibility criteria for this post, so 12th pass and 3 years of diploma if you are completed, you are eligible, or else the BS nursing and 3 years of an working experience you should have. So this is the basic education qualification for this post. And the age relaxation according to the central government, you have that age relaxation. That means for OBC 3 years from that age. That means till 30 years they're eligible for this post under that unreserved. And for that OBC plus 3 years and SC/ST plus 5 years and BWBD plus 5 years from that particular caste. And that how they are going to select the candidate for this post mean, there will be an written examination that is under that OMR sheet. They are going to keep 2 stage of examination. There is a preliminary test. Under the preliminary test, the maths and science and general knowledge, totally 50 questions they are going to keep. And if they are getting pass on this examination, they'll be calling for the stage 2. Under that stage 2, there will be completely and professional related questions. That is for that 2 hours of period. They are going to keep the professional exam. There also and kind of a negative marks is there. The negative marks is 1, and for each question they'll give that 3 marks. So that is the exam pattern for this examination. Under that OMR sheet only they are going to keep the exam. For applying for this post, directly you need to go for the official website and you can click the online application and you can enter your data and you can submit. This is one completely online process for submitting your application. So the job location will be in that Uttarakhand. So if you're having any other doubts, you can write it in the comment box. I'll make the clarification. Thanks for joining with me.